Eli the computer guy, and also Louis Rossman, and also who is it? Linus the Tech. I mean, I follow a lot of awesome YouTube channels, and they all agree on this thing, which is, although corporate America won't always be in your corner, and you won't always be successful, but if you have the defeatist kind of attitude and you don't put the work, right, behind all this stuff, then you're always going to be one step behind, and you're never really going to achieve any of your goals. So there is that, right? There is that, and that's an important thing to know, is that although they will lie and they'll give you advice and it'll all be wrong, right? They'll try to cheat you. They'll tell you, if you do this.
Likey